Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade gel for curly hair. To begin, gather your ingredients. You will need 1/4 cup of whole flax seeds, 2 cups of filtered water, and optionally, a few drops of your favorite essential oil. This natural recipe provides excellent hold and definition for your curls, avoiding the synthetic ingredients often found in commercial products. It's a simple, cost-effective way to care for your hair. Next, let's prepare the gel. Pour the 1/4 cup of flax seeds and 2 cups of water into a small saucepan. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. You'll notice the liquid thickening to a gel-like consistency. Once it reaches your desired thickness, remove it from the heat and immediately strain the gel through a fine mesh sieve or a nylon stocking into a clean jar. Now let's customize and store your homemade gel. Once the gel has cooled slightly, you can add 5 to 10 drops of essential oils like lavender or rosemary for a pleasant scent and added hair benefits. Stir well to combine. For a thinner gel, you can add a tiny bit more water. For a thicker gel, simmer a little longer. Store your finished gel in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will remain fresh for up to 2 weeks. Finally, let's talk about applying your new gel. After washing and conditioning your hair, apply a small, coin-sized amount of gel to damp, not soaking wet curls. Distribute it evenly through your hair, focusing on defining your curl pattern. You can scrunch your hair gently upwards to encourage bounce and reduce frizz. This natural gel provides a soft to medium hold, enhancing your curls' natural beauty without stiffness or crunchiness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.